In this video, we're going to add a Google Map into our room's detail page to display the location based on the room address, just like this. And also we're going to display the marker as well with the title Alien. Let's get into it. First, to be able to get the map location based on the address, we're going to use a gem called GeoCoder. So open the gem file, and under here we can say gem GeoCoder. Open your terminal and make sure you're in the Alien folder. I'm going to run the bundle to install a new gem. After that, we need to add two new fields into our room model, and they are latitude and longitude. Now to do that, we're going to say Rails generate migration add fields to room, and they are latitude would be float, and longitude would be float as well. Now once you've done that, just run the rec db migrate to migrate this chain into our database. Next, in our project folder, open F, model, and open rooms.rb. Now in here, we need to tell GeoCode which field we're going to use for the address. And obviously, we already got address field, so we're going to say GeoCoded by address. And also, we want to run GeoCode function after validation only if the address changed. So I'm going to say after validation, right? Then we're running the GeoCode. We'll do that only if the address change. So whenever you change the address, GeoCode will automatically validate that address and regenerate the new latitude and longitude for you. Now it's time to add our Google Map into the showroom. So open F, Views, Rooms, and show.html.erb. Now in here, we're going to display the Google Map right under the carousel. So I'll just close this one a bit. Easy for us to follow. Okay, so we have a different row. Now we're going to say Google Map, and also we're going to create a new row, and for this row we're going to display the column MD12. Alright, and now we're going to display our Google Map inside here. So you can open it in Google and search for Google Map API, and now click on the Google Map Embed API. Alright, so once you get here, just scroll to the bottom and click on Tutorials. Next, click on adding a Google Map to your website. Alright, so in here you can find a lot of information about the map, how to embed your Google Map into the website. Now if you scroll at the bottom, we have a very simple way to add the Google Map into your website with this JavaScript and a little bit of style. So basically, here is where you put the Google Map. So I'll just copy this one. And back to our project, just put it inside here. Now for the style, for now, just copy this one, put it into here. Okay, so that's what we need for the style and for HTML. Now we need to embed the JavaScript into here so we can display the Google Map. And all you need to do is just copy this script and paste it under the style here. Okay, so now we're going to use the default one and see what's happening. Now restart the server and open your web browser. Go to the room 1. Alright, room 1 is a room that we created in the previous session. So if you scroll down, okay, so awesome, we got the Google Map here. which is great. And now you can play around with that. But this one is just a default one, so we want to custom this Google Map in a little bit. So we want to spread to the full width, and also we want it customized to the location where you want to. Now back to our project folder. First, I'm going to make a break here between the carousel and the map, and also I might put the HR, alright, which is just a bar to differentiate the carousel and the Google Map. Nothing fancy. Okay, so for the style, instead of saying the width would be 500 pixels, I'm going to say 100%. Alright, so the width would be 100% and fit inside the panel. Now here we got the longitude and latitude, which is a fixed one. Now we want to use in our custom one, so I'll just delete this one. And instead, I'm going to say room dot latitude. Alright, and the same thing, room dot longitude. Save it. For the zoom, let's say 14, and the map ID, which is road map. Okay, so there is nothing hard to understand here. So first, we're going to create a canvas, which is a get element map. So we know that we're going to display this map whenever we can see a div with ID map. Alright, so for the map option, we say center. Here is a location. So here is zoom, and the map type is the road map. And finally, we just create a map and put a canvas and option. Alright, that's easy to understand. Now save it. Refresh the web browser, and we see nothing. What's happening? Now, if you open the SQLite and open the rooms table, if you scroll down here, and you can see our two fields, latitude and longitude, has no value at all. And even we have the address here. This is because we created this address before we added latitude and longitude into our rooms table. So now we need to update this room to notify GeoCoder to generate the latitude and longitude for us. Now there is a trick here. So first, going to our rooms listing, and we're going to update this room address. Okay, so first let's say 98 and click update. Now if you go back to the SQLite and go to here, hit refresh, and now you can see we got a latitude and longitude. Alright, and also the address is 98. If you want, you can update this address back to 99 and hit save. Okay, so everything on the right track now. Now let's go to our rooms detail. Okay, awesome. So we just got the map of the Burwood Highway, which is great. It would be great if we could get a marker point to exactly where the location is, and we're going to do it now. Back to our project folder, we're going to create a marker. So I'm going to say marker equal new google.maps.marker. Alright, and here we're going to push a couple of options. First is the position, and for the position, I'm going to use exactly the location that we have here. Alright, and just let's say for the title, it's not necessary for this one, but I'll just put it in. Say alien. Okay, and that's, we need to say marker.setMap, and we're going to pass a map in. Alright, which is this one. So we're going to create the marker, and then we'll put that marker into the map that we have here. Now refresh the web browser. Okay, so we just got a marker, And also, as you can see, we got a title aliens at the spec as well. So from here, you can change to the any title that you want to, or even the dynamic one. Cool. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.